Thank you very much, Mr. President. Dear colleagues, today I want to denounce the situation of 10 Catalan political prisoners in Spanish jails, 8 of them members of the Catalan government, and 2 of them former members of the European Parliament, Raül Romeva and Oriol Junqueras. They have been jailed without being condemned, and they risk 4 years in prison before the trial with the Spanish justice. Their crime? To be loyal to a democratic mandate of the Catalan people. 2 years ago, in 2015, pro-independence political parties won in Catalonia an absolute majority in the Catalan parliament, thanks to 2 million votes, with the highest turnout ever in our history, 77%. Dear colleagues, let me remind you that to declare independence was not illegal. The Spanish tribunals did not illegalize in 2015 the electoral program of pro-independence parties. So this is why we call for immediate release of all Catalan prisoners so they can run to the elections next 21st of December. Llibertat presos catalans. Moltes gràcies.